Hello everyone, I am Jit Sausani from AIM Machine Technique Private Limited from Rajkot, Gujarat. We are the leading manufacturer of rotograver printing machine, flexographic printing machine, lamination machine, slitting machine and pouch making machines. Also we are manufacturing bag making machines also. We are producing a very quality product in our from Rajkot base. We have a good range in ELS factor also, like rotograver ELS high speed range of, and we are exporting the machine in all over the world, like Africa is there, Afghan is there, everywhere, like Dubai, Gulf country and everywhere. So in we are the most highly range of products manufacturer in Gujarat and Rajkot. So thank you for sir. Yeah, my machines are made for the flexible packagings like namkeen pouch printing, film printing, like roll to roll printing machines we are providing. So for the namkeen pouch, like as we say, Balaji packets are there, Gopal namkins are there. In that, our machine can be suitable for them. So they can print roll to roll on film, then they can laminate from our machine, and then they are slitting. Then we can do slit, and then the pouch. Also, we are manufacturing stand-up zipper pouch also, which is help for the making a zipper pouch. Yeah, the very good response, and we are selling a high. So much machines are sold out yesterday also. So I hope it will sell today also, tomorrow, and till the exhibition end. Yeah, welcome.